Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to fix Photoshop unable to communicate error. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys, you just follow this video. First of all, optimize the Photoshop scratch disk setting. This fix ensure the Photoshop has enough dedicated high speed storage for the temporary file. Open Photoshop and go to the edit preferences and select the scratch disk from the sidebar and choose the fast drive with amplify free space at the primary disk. Ensure the chosen disk has at least 20 to 30 GB of free space. Then click the option of OK to apply your changes and restart your Photoshop for new settings to take effect. After that guys, reset Photoshop preferences. Corrupted preferences files can often cause the unexpected error or the communication issues. Close Photoshop completely immediately after launching the Photoshop. On Mac, hold Command Option plus Shift plus right after launching. Then dialog box will ask you to delete, then click yes and Photoshop will launch with the default setting. Then guys, free up RAM and the system disks. For this, close the all necessary application, check your system available RAM, delete temporary file and restart your computer to clear temporary memory. Also update your Photoshop and the graphic driver. So guys, outdated software or the driver can lead to the compatibility issues and communication error. So open the Adobe Create Cloud desktop, navigate to the app and find the Photoshop and click the option of update. Restart your Photoshop after the update, identify your graphic card model, visit the manufacturer official website to download the latest driver and install the driver and restart your computer. Fix 5. Check and adjust the folder permission. So guys, incorrect file or folder permission can prevent the Photoshop from saving and accessing the critical data. Locate the Photoshop installation folder, right click the folder and select the option of property and click the option of get info and ensure your user account has fully read and write permission and apply any unnecessary changes. Then restart your Photoshop after modifying permissions. So this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.